Hey, good morning, everyone. How's it going? I just wanted to go and do a little detail about how we pack our orders here at SurfPrep. So we have a lot of people who reach out to us via phone, via the chat on the website, and we always try to do our best to make sure we send you everything on the first go. That way, when you get the sanding system, you're able to start sanding and getting a job done right away. So right now, we have an order that came in. It's for a sanding system kit with no toolbox. So I am doing an electric gray sander. This foam variety pack comes in the sanding system kit. If I could open it up. And it comes with a variety pack of our different foam abrasives. So here's all the 1/2-inch squishy foam. I've got the 10 mil down here if you could see. We've got 8 pieces of that. And then we have our 5 millimeter, which is for all of the flat surfaces. Then we include our film variety pack. So the film variety pack comes with 35 pieces, everything from 80 grit to 320 grit. And there's an interface pad in here and a pad saver. And we've got some videos and we love answering questions if you guys have questions on that. We've had so many people loving the screen that we're now throwing in a screen variety pack for free, just for you guys to try it out. So here is the screen. It's actually not a full variety pack. It only has 2 pieces of each grit. But again, it's 80 through 320. And the same for the paper. So we like you guys just to know that we have a lot of options. We have the film, we have the screen, we have the paper. Every single person using SurfPrep is using it to sand different things. You guys are sanding cabinets. Some people are removing material. Some people are just prepping. So we like the variety pack to just have anything that you may need. This person happened to buy an extra box of our 1/2-inch medium plus, which is excellent for prep work. That's one of our most popular grits. They bought a 20 pack of our rad pads. So there's our rad pads right there. We have a variety pack of these as well. And then a lot of people are getting help with our new sanding system kit insert. So this is just very detailed about what you would use each product for. We have our foam conversion chart that helps explain, for example, what does fine mean? Why don't you guys call it 100 grit? Well, the fine cuts like a 220 to 240 grit. So it's a prep pad. So that is on the website too. If you go to downloads, you could see that in downloads. And if you're placing an order with us and you already have the system kit, you could request that we send this to you in the notes section. So one other thing that we try to do is if you guys have a vacuum system, we want to send you all of the vacuum adapters on the first shot. That way you don't get the sanding system kit and say, oh dang, now I have a rigid vacuum or a festool vacuum. What adapter pieces do I need? So we have a lot of different vacuum adapters and we want to make sure that you guys order them right up front. So for example, we have this right on the shipping desk. This is a little $10 piece adapter and it will screw into the back of the sander and then hook up to a festool vacuum. So we're not limited to just that vacuum. We have adapters for almost every single vacuum out there on the market. So just wanted to show you guys what we've got going on today. Business is booming like crazy. So we're here for any questions or anything that you might need help with. And we love you all and have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.